and a warm welcome to another episode of the AI with Arun show. Prepare to embark on a journey into the very future of human resources, a future being forged in the crucible of innovation, where the transformation power of Gen AI and intelligent AI agents is not just a possibility, but a rapidly unfolding reality.
Let's first understand the evolving HR landscape. For decades, HR has transitioned from manual processes to advanced digital systems for managing employees. This evolution was fueled by the need for data driven insights, personalized experiences, and greater efficiency. Now, AI marks the next significantly promising to redefine HR operations and the entire employee experience. We will now demystify the stars of our story, Gen AI and AI agents. So GenAI is the creative force in HR capable of generating new content like text and images, automating tasks, and personalizing employee experience. AI agents are autonomous programs that make decisions and manage complex HR workflows, acting as proactive partners. These technologies promise to revolutionize HR by increasing efficiency and personalization, allowing HR professionals to focus on more strategic initiatives. We'll now unfold the impact across all HR functions for you. Gen AI impacts every corner of the HR landscape. Imagine the power to effortlessly create compelling job descriptions that attract the brightest talent, to compose personalized onboarding materials that makes every new hire feel instantly valued and integrated, and to generate dynamic training content that adapts to the unique training needs of each individual. Picture performance reviews elevated by AI-driven insights, compensation and benefit packages optimized through intelligent analysis of market trends, and employee relations strengthened by AI's ability to analyze sentiment and even predict potential conflicts, extending its reach into every core of HR operations and compliance, assisted in drafting crucial documents and ensuring adherence to ever evolving regulations. Let's understand AI agents in action. The transformative capabilities of AI agents as they step out into the HR stage is phenomenal. They are poised to revolutionize our daily operations. They are automating routine yet time consuming HR workflows with unparalleled efficiency, seamlessly managing time of requests, expertly coordinating intricate interview schedules, and providing instant, accurate responses to the myriad of employee inquiries that flood our inboxes. But their impact extends far beyond mere automation. They proactively streamline the entire talent acquisition journey from the initial sourcing of candidates to the final offer stage, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience for all involved. Onboarding becomes a breeze with the intelligent automation of paperwork collection and the swift setup of new employee accounts. And in a truly groundbreaking move, these intelligent agents are capable of identifying potential turnover risks, proactively suggesting personalized career development opportunities, becoming invaluable allies in our quest to retain top talent. Furthermore, they diligently monitor employee actions and company policies, providing timely feedback and ensuring unwavering compliance across the organization. Let's look at the engine room, the underlying technology. So, what's the magic that fuels this remarkable transformation? Let's peer beneath the surface and explore the powerful engine driving this revolution. At its core lies the sophisticated architecture of a large language model, LLM, capable of understanding and generating human like text with astonishing fluency. These models are powered by the intricate algorithms of machine learning, enabling systems to learn and improve from vast amounts of data, and underpinning it are all the complex networks of artificial neurons, mimicking the very structure of the human brain. These advanced technologies seamlessly integrate with our existing HR systems and vast databases, all orchestrated through the ubiquitous power of cloud based platforms and the vital connective tissues of APIs. We will now understand the key components of AI agents. So, delving deeper into the intelligence of our AI agents, first we have natural language processing (NLP), the key that unlocks fluid communication between humans and machines, allowing agents to understand and respond to our language with remarkable accuracy. Then comes machine learning (ML), the engine of continuous improvement, enabling agents to learn and adapt from every interaction, becoming more intelligent and efficient over time. They possess autonomous decision making capabilities, allowing them to act independently and execute tasks with minimal human guidance. Their task execution capabilities enable them to seamlessly carry out complex workflows, while planning and action components allow them to strategize and take the necessary steps to achieve their objectives. And finally, feedback and iteration mechanisms ensure that they're constantly learning and reinforcing their performances, becoming even more effective in their roles. As we embrace the immense potential of AI in HR, we must also confront the critical and the non negotiable imperative of data security and privacy. In this new era, robust data security and privacy regulations are not merely guidelines. They are the very bedrock upon which trust is built and maintained. The establishment and rigorous enforcement of strong data governance frameworks, coupled with unwavering adherence to crucial regulations such as GDPR and CCPA, are not optional, they're essential. We must implement stringent security measures that stand as an impenetrable shield against the ever present threat of data breaches, safeguarding the sensitive information entrusted to our care. And perhaps most importantly, fostering complete transparency with our employees about how their data is being collected, used, and protected. It's not just a matter of legal compliance, but a fundamental principle of ethical practice, building a foundation of trust that's absolutely vital for the long term success and ethical implementation of AI in HR. We will now look at the current adoption rates. Here's a look at few case studies where you can see specific examples. Feel free to pause the video and take a deeper look. The widespread adoption of Gen AI and AI agents is still in its early stages. However, the data paints a compelling picture of a rapidly evolving landscape. Recent surveys from 2024 and 2025 reveal a significant uptick in overall AI adoption within HR, with a notable increase in the implementation of new AI technologies. While the current use of Gen AI as a key component, a key technology, may still be relatively modest, we are witnessing significant traction in specific HR applications, particularly in areas such as crafting compelling job descriptions, efficiently parsing through countless resumes, and enhancing learning and development initiatives. Yet, it's crucial to acknowledge that for many organizations, progress about basic content generation remains limited, and surprisingly, only a small fraction currently possess a comprehensive and documented AI strategy, highlighting the immense potential and exciting opportunities that lie ahead for those who embrace this technological frontier. So, what does the future look like? Looking ahead, AI agents will become more autonomous, managing intricate HR tasks with minimal human oversight. Gen AI will be deeply embedded in all HR functions, transforming content creation, data analysis, and personalized employee experiences. This will lead to greater human AI collaboration, demanding new skills and ultimately focusing on tailored learning and employee career path. So, what does this mean for the human factor in the evolving HR workplace? The rise of intelligent machines necessitates a significant adoption for human HR professionals. As AI handles routine tasks, HR roles will evolve towards more strategic and people focused responsibilities. This transition requires acquiring new skills in data analysis, AI management, and human agent interaction, while also leading to the emergence of specialized roles and the need for comprehensive upskilling initiatives across the entire workforce. How do we bridge the gap as agents, humans, agents all start working together? For AI to be successfully integrated into HR, user friendly interfaces employing natural language processing are crucial for positive experiences. Building trust requires transparency about AI capabilities and limitations in decision making. Maintaining a balance between AI efficiency and the essential human touch remains paramount. AI's introduction in HR is not just about automation, it's transforming how employees interact with HR and each other. AI powered knowledge bases enable self service and enhance collaboration among employees. This shift allows HR professionals to focus on strategic engagement and complex employee relations, fostering a more collaborative and human centered workplace. The evidence clearly indicates that Gen AI and AI agents will usher in a new era for HR, significantly enhancing efficiency and personalization and data driven decision making in talent management. While this transformation presents complexities like data security and the need for upskilling, it's important to preserve the human element in HR. HR leaders are encouraged to adopt clear AI strategies, invest in appropriate technologies, prioritize data security, and maintain a human centric approach to empower their workforce. In the description, we have included links to previous talk shows with founders of companies in the HR space. Thank you for your time and attention. Like, subscribe, and share, and let us know what you think in the comments below.